So hey guys, what's up? It's Nico here and welcome back to a brand new video. Now in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to record yourself in OBS Studio without an extra webcam or an extra, like without much work. So it's actually pretty straightforward. You see the sources, you just right click there in the empty space and you would see add. Okay, now hover your mouse over the add and you can see pretty much uh, these options. So what you have to do is video capture. So for this you have to make sure you have a webcam, or I'm using a laptop so it has an integrated webcam to do this, and click on it. Now this new window will pop up as a video capture device. You can rename it, you can say it as camera or something like that. Make sure this is checked because it should show here. Otherwise you would be recording yourself but you can't later change the settings in it. So make sure this is checked, click OK. And now now we can change the web device, and this is my phone's camera. So in the future video you guys should expect a video on how to use an iPhone for as a webcam. So you have to leave everything as it is. You can't change nothing much, and click OK. Now you see this red um, square, just click on it and minimize to wherever you want. If you want at the top right corner, you can keep there. If you want somewhere at the bottom, keep there. Then record yourself and that's it. Yeah. All your work is cut in half. So suppose you don't want to record yourself and you don't want to delete this camera option. So what you're gonna do is just click on it, click on the setting icon and hit deactivate. So this will deactivate your camera and boom, there you go. And if you want to reactivate it, just click on activate and you're good to go. So thank you so much guys. If you want more videos, you want tutorials on anything, just comment down below and if I can, I will make it. And thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.